When you get a dog, you should expect that, except for feeding the dog, he also needs regular walking. However, walking should not become an annoying must, but on the contrary, it should become something which brings you and your dog together. How often and for how long you are going to walk him depends on many factors, for example, on the dog's age, his health, or the breed. The dog should be walked frequently enough that he is not forced to suppress the urge to relieve himself. It is good to walk puppies every 2 hours. Adult dogs should be walked 2 or 3 times a day. On the contrary, an older dog may need to go out more often. Puppies especially need to be walked enough that they are not forced to answer the call of nature at home, and they soon learn that they should only relieve themselves outside. You achieve this by praising the puppy after he relieves himself outside and by rewarding him with a treat. The length of walking should also be adjusted to the individual dog. Although a puppy needs to go out more frequently, he is okay with a shorter time of walking. On the contrary, an adult dog needs to be walked 3 times a day, but the walk should be longer and stimulating for him. Remember that you do not walk your dog only in order to provide him with an opportunity to relieve himself, but walking also serves your dog as a means to explore and communicate with the world around him. Thus, you should always have in mind that walking should be beneficial for your dog, and it should develop him. Try to vary the walks and set out into nature, for example. Walking is also an ideal opportunity to practice the commands we have worked with at home. During a walk, the dog's safety is also very important. The walk should be planned in a way that the dog is in as little danger as possible. If you know that your dog does not respond to your commands yet or that he runs away, it is necessary to walk him on a leash. Even an obedient dog should not be let off the leash in places where there is danger, such as in the city center or near busy roads. You should have your dog under control for the entire time and know where he is and what he is doing. You thus avoid situations where the dog eats something he shouldn't or bothers someone. Walk your dog for enough time and frequently with regards to his needs. Remember that even a dog that is kept in the garden needs to be walked outside of it. Take treats with you, practice commands, and play games. Have your dog under control for the whole time of walking. Even if he is off the leash, clean up after him. Never postpone walking because of lack of time, bad weather, or your own laziness. Never let a dog that does not yet respond to your commands off the leash.